Hello everyone, this is lesson number 53 and let's start. Just quickly review. 动物 animal 相信 to believe, to trust. 国家 country, state. 奇怪 strange, to be surprised, but mostly strange. To be surprised. 我很奇怪 I'm surprised. 我奇怪 also sometimes could be used. One, 10,000, one. And next one, and first one for today, is 向 to, towards something. Let's see. I walk towards the station. 我向车站走 I towards, to, 车站 station. 走 walk, right? Go or walk. So I walk towards the station, to the station. 我向车站走 Let's see another variation. He borrows a book from me. So as you can see, borrows a book from also use 向。他向我借书借 it's to borrow. Fourth one 借。他向我 so he from me 借 borrow 书 book. 他向我借书 Let's see another one variation. She runs towards the park. 她向公园跑去 It's to it's run 跑步跑去 also could be. 她向but 跑步她向公园跑步 also could be used, but 跑去 interesting. So as you can see, 跑去 to run over to another place, moving away from the speaker. So because 跑步 is just to run, but 跑去 it's to run over something. So he ran over park, so to the park, towards the park. 他向公园跑去 This 向 to or towards something. Let's see next one. 只 first one, a measure word for animals. It's pretty easy to use. I have one animal. 我有一只动物 I have 一只 one 动物 animal. As you remember, it's not 动物 it's 动物 The first one is more stressed. 我有一只动物 You can say 一个动物 or 一只动物 But mostly it's a measure word for small animals. Let's see another one. But maybe not for only small. This panda is very cute. 这只熊猫很可爱 this 熊猫 panda 熊猫很可爱 very cute 很可爱 very cute. But for example, we cannot use 只 for sheep, for cow, for ox. We can use for cats, for dogs, for pandas. Mostly for tigers, for lions, for some types of animal. You can say like cats, like dogs, but not like sheep and some farm animals, not horse. 这只熊猫很可爱 very cute. Next one, he saw two dogs. 他看到两只狗 for go, for dogs, we have also another measure word, 脚 but it's for long dogs. This one mostly for little dogs. So it's a bit confused. So you can use 只 for every type of go for dogs, and I think it will be no problem. 他看到两只狗 He saw 看到 看 to see, but 到 he's finished with positive results. 看到 is to see because 看不到 he didn't see, but 看到 is he saw. 他看到两只狗 two dogs. 他看到两只狗 Next one is 嘴 mouth. Mouth, we know 口 right for mouth, but it's mouth, it's anatomical mouth. For example, his mouth is very big. 他的嘴很大. As you can see, on the left part of the character, also character 口, but on the right part, just pronunciation. 他的嘴很大. His mouth is very big. 他的嘴很大 is very big. Let's say another one. I drink beer with my mouth. 我用嘴喝啤酒. 我用 I use. 我用嘴 I use my mouth. 我用 we can say 我用我的嘴 or just 我用嘴 because possibly he is not use another mouth. 我用嘴喝 to drink 啤酒 it's just beer. 啤酒 酒 for alcohol, alcoholic beverage. 啤 it's just for pronunciation because beer is similar pronunciation. 我用嘴喝啤酒 Next one, animals eat with their mouth. 动物用嘴吃饭. 动物 animals 用 use utilize 嘴 mouth 吃饭 to eat food. 动物用嘴吃饭. 动物用嘴吃饭. So animals use mouth to eat. Next one is 段 period, section, piece, cut. So it's a measure word for different types of object, mostly with some section, with some length a bit. Let's see. I ran a section of the road. 我跑了一段路. So 路 it's a road, but 一段路 it's some part of the road, run a section of the road, some piece of the road. Maybe in common it's like 1 kilometer, but you run just a half a kilo. So 一段路. 我跑了一段路. I run a section. 一段路. Next one, he told a piece of a story. 他讲了一段故事. 讲 it's to tell, to narrate something. 他讲了 he told a piece of story, not a full story. 一段故事. Sometimes it could be translated. So, for example, in this sentence, this part foreshadows the climax of the story. Climax. 这一段为故事的高潮做铺了点. So it's just not do not put attention to this one. Just check one 一段故事. So part of the story, right? So here is also, he told a piece of a story, part of the story. 他讲了一段故事. Sometimes on Taiwan, I think it's 故事 with a fourth. But here is fourth and zero. 故事. 他讲了一段故事. Next one. This period of time is very busy. 这段时间很忙. This period of the time, sometimes we can translate it like past. For example, this time is very busy. Wait. Let's see. I have a lot of on my plate at the moment. There is a lot of going on this time. I'm currently very busy. So as you can see, we can say this period of time, but mostly it's implied it's in last few days, last few weeks, or last time. So I'm quite busy at this moment. 这段时间很忙. 时间 it's a time, but 短 it's a period of something. So, 这段时间 this period of time. 很忙 is very busy. 很忙. Next one, it's grammar point. And last word for today. 不但什么什么, 而且什么什么. 不但 it's not only. 而且 but also. In addition, 而且 something. So he's not only tall but also smart. 他不但高而且聪明. 他不但 not only 高 not only tall, right? 不但高而且 and moreover and but also 而且聪明 smart. 他不但高而且聪明. 不但高 so it's like 蛋糕 but 不但高. Let's see another variation. I not only believe but also agree. 我不但相信而且同意. 同意 is to be agree or to agree something. 同意. Because 同 is the same. E is like mind or the same idea. So 同意. We have the same mindset, the same attitude towards something. 我不但相信 I'm not only believe 相信而且 but also or moreover 同意 agree. 我不但相信而且同意. And last one, this animal is not only cute but also famous. 这只动物不但可爱而且有名. In China, China has a lot of different, for example, pandas, 熊猫, but also few of them are very popular and they are very famous. So this one is very sheen. It's a very good sentence. This animal is not only cute but also famous. 这只动物 this animal 不但可爱 not only cute 不但可爱而且 moreover but also 有名. It's to have name, to have a name or to be famous. 这只动物不但可爱而且有名. So 有名 is our next word on the next lesson. So let's see what we learned today. 向 to towards something. 只 a measure word for animals. 只 嘴 mouth 嘴 a bit complicated character. 段 a period, section, piece, cut, so measure word for some part of something, part of time or part of speech or some story. 段 Next one, 不但什么什么而且 but also, not only but also. And we have one new idiom for today. Let's see. Lesson 53, right? Last time we learned 刻舟求剑. Stick to outdated methods. 刻舟求剑. Today we learn this one. 此地无银. What does it mean? 此地无银. This place, 此地无银, without silver. No silver here, or give oneself away by denying something. Give oneself away by denying something. 此地His denial makes it obvious. 他此地无银很明显. His denial make it obvious. 很明显 obvious. 他此地无银很明显. 此地无银. So you say in this area there is no silver, but it's just because you know here is a lot of silver. 此地无银. And that's all for today. See you next one.